Yeah, Shruti ma'am. Now,
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. All of you have checked your.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Abdullah. All of you have checked your Google Classroom. Just check the syllabus is there on Google Classroom. Okay. Those who are attempting maths paper, it is decimal chapter is there. Just check your Google Classroom, everyone. It is only for Mandela, not for science and maths. Both the syllabus I have sent you on Google Classroom. Okay. It is there. Farhana, you checked? Yeah. So is there any doubt? Science, no doubt now. All the topic is clear. What are the topics coming? Just today we
You have sent a message.
Yeah, I have sent you the message. Okay. And in maths, you are having decimal and the topic subtopics also I have mentioned. In maths, I have mentioned the subtopics also. Okay. So today we're going to do.
Ma'am, you have given the syllabus on Google Classroom.
Yes. Did you see now? Did you check it? Just check it.
I check it.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and this syllabus is not there for right children. Okay, Abdullah, Yahya, Anas, Muhammad, Muhammadi, and Muhammad Saqib. This is not for you. Your syllabus is.
Ma'am, no one is there. Only me and Abdullah is only there.
Yes. So I have sent your syllabus on Rights Classroom, right? You have checked, Yahya?
No, ma'am. There is only revision worksheet.
Syllabus is also there. Just check it before that.
Oh,
Okay?
ma'am, there is only revision worksheet.
Just check on stream, Abdullah. Check on stream.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I got reply also. Did you see? Ibrahim replied me noted. Anas replied me noted. Just check it. Yahya and Abdullah, did you find it?
Yes, ma'am. I found it.
Yeah. And one more revision worksheet I have given you that I missed in the first worksheet now. So I have given you there. So that is your syllabus. Fraction is your syllabus. For Mandela, they have maths syllabus. They have decimal syllabus in maths. Okay. So today we are going to revise decimal only. Okay. So in rights also you can do, and if you don't understand, just leave it for now. We can have it in other class. Let the Mandelas decide.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So shall we start? Any particular doubt is there in decimals? Just go through the subtopics that I have given you on Google Classroom. What are the subtopics? Any doubt? Do you find any topic or in which you are finding some difficulty to solve the questions? So we'll start with that topic. Otherwise, we'll start from beginning. What do you say, Mandelas? Amina, Muni. What did you say, Amina? Should we revise from the beginning?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you give us questions if we can solve.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
we did in science, yeah, for science.
So
Like that.
Ma'am,
I want to tell something. Ma'am, you gave that revision worksheet, na ma'am. So that one set of question was, ma'am, it was very blurred, ma'am.
It was blurred, but you solved all the questions. I saw that.
Yes, ma'am, I could, because
one section was little blurred, but you could have what was the number was clear. I think everyone did that.
But that sign, I had a mistake with the sign.
Plus minus. Yes. No, you wrote minus in your notebook, but
Can
you
I add something?
Yes. Yeah, Safia.
In decimals, you have to do end of unit review also.
For your practice, you do end of unit review. Okay.
No, we have to send it to you.
No need to send it to me. If you want to send it to me, it is fine. I will check it.
Because it's only written exercise 3.8 second page, and there's no end of unit review. That's why I asked.
End of review question I told for your practice at home to complete it. Okay. So if you want to get it checked, you can send me and I'll check it. Okay.
Okay, fine.
That is a type of revision also. You can do as revision. Okay. So let us begin with our revision in maths. Okay, first topic is converting fraction into decimal. You know how do we convert fraction into decimal, Munib? How do we convert?
By checking how much decimal point it is there.
No. Suppose
By checking how many zeros are there.
no. Fraction into decimal means 2 by 3 is there. How will you
Ma'am,
convert?
you divide 2 by 3.
You
divide
divide
it.
3 by 2, ma'am.
Correct. You divide,
2 by
and
3.
that is so. First question. Do the first question now. Zeros ka division, is it clear to you?
2.09 is
2.09.
Correct. 2.09. Now second one. 87 upon 50.
1 point something.
Yes, correct. 1 point something.
I don't know converting fraction into decimal.
Yes, we are doing converting fraction into decimals. So 87 by 50, 87 by 10 is 8.7, and then divide 8.7 by 5. So it will be 1 point something. How much you are getting?
Ma'am, didn't understood.
It's okay, Anas, if you have not understood. This is a revision.
8.7 divided by 5 or 50.
See, I'll show you. This is another shortcut method. Two methods you can do. One method is,
The answer 1 upon 50.
just a moment. See, question is 87 upon 50, which is actually either you divide 87 by 50 and you can solve, or you can do 87 ko you can write 5 into 10. So first divided
Ma'am,
87.
I got the answer, ma'am.
Yes, what is the answer?
1.74.
Divide 8.7 by 5. Your answer will be, now it is easier to divide. 5 ones are 5.3. Yeah,
1.74.
7, 35, 36, 37. Yes. This is your answer, 1.74. This answer is 2.09. Now divide 73 by 12. Those rights, you can just see how we are doing it. 73 by 12. When we divide 73 by 12, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I did not understand anything.
It's okay. I told you, Yahya, this is a revision for Mandela maths test. Okay. So if you don't understand, just see what we are doing. We will do decimals in right, then you will understand.
Ma'am,
Okay.
6 point.
Okay. 12, 6 are 7.
I'm 0.6.
6 point, you will put a
1.
0.
6.
Expansion of the idea.
6.1.
How come? 10 minus 6, 0. 10 minus 6, 4. One more 0 you will put on your own.
Ma'am, but I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is a mistake, ma'am.
Where?
How did you divide 10 by 12, ma'am?
Where have I divided 10?
Ma'am, how can you write 6?
Oh,
It will be
sorry, I was taking.
6.333, ma'am.
Yeah, it's mistake. Just
Bar will come.
just a moment.
What happened, ma'am?
There was a mistake now. I wrote 73 minus, so I'll put a point and I put a 0 over here. 0 doesn't go, so it will be another 0, and I'll have to put another 0 over here because one decimal, 1 0 I have put. Now 12, how many times it will go?
96.
How many times?
8.
Yes. Let me erase this also.
Us like telling others what to do. But when it comes to practicing what we preach, it also
Turn
starts.
your mic.
Ma'am, 8. 96 then 4.
The sight remained with him throughout his life.
Okay.
Later
So
years,
here what 8s are, huh?
being pensive, he saw
And then 40.
beautiful memories.
So 6.083 is the answer. See, right? Just listen, when you have to convert fraction into decimal, you have to divide the denominator. You have to divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay?
Ma'am, what is that? Last
Huh,
6.0 after that?
this one,
Huh?
6.083.
Now 69 divided by 100.
69. So this you don't need to divide. Just give a 0 ka answer hai. So
Ma'am,
One
the
point-
answer is 6.083 bar.
3 bar you are getting. Okay.
Ma'am, because it will, ma'am, if
Yeah, again and
14 is
again.
there, then you will go by 3, 36, and
Yes,
then again
correct.
it will come 4, and you 14, and again
Correct.
go like
Now,
that.
what is the answer for this one? 69 by 100. Amina,
0.6.
Ma'am, 1 point, yeah, 1.6.
not 1 point.
0.6.
0.69.
9.
Yes. Now divide 55 by 19.
Ma'am, it is 19.
19.
Two the
You see how much you are getting? Divide 55 by 19. What is in decimal you are getting?
man 19 to the 36, right?
38.
38. Oh yeah. Seven.
Ma'am, 2.89.
2.89.
Yeah,
Okay, everyone has got 2.89.
because 19 into 3 is 57.
2.89. So many decimals are there. You can give 2 decimal digit, 2.89. Okay. So this was your answer for this. This is the answer for this slide. Okay, this I'm not giving because same type question you know how to do. So we are just
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
revision. Decimal to fraction. How will you convert decimal into fraction? Do you remember?
Easy. Yeah.
Suppose I have 2.45. How
Yes,
will I
ma'am.
convert? How will you?
245 upon 100, ma'am.
So
We
you
will see how many digits are there after the decimal and then
correct,
zero.
and then you will multiply with that number of zeros. Okay. So in the then you have 3.25. So you have 3.25 means 325 upon 100, or you can do 3 separately, 25 upon 100, change it into fraction. So it is mixed fraction, 3 1 by 4. Do you understand?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
will not change it into improper fraction.
No need to change. No. Answer is in mixed fraction. Better to give answer in mixed fraction. Okay. So if you
1.7.
have
We
a
have to
whole
convert it into
number,
simplest form.
see, if you have either two methods are there. One you told Amina, that is 325 by 100. So usme thoda sa calculation will be more. 325 by 100. Then you have to go for lowest form and you will then put it in the mixed fraction. How do we do this? You will do like 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 6s are 30, 5 5s are 25. Then again 5 4s are 20, and then 5 1s are 5, and 5 3s are 15. So
13.
basically you are getting 13 by 4, or in the mixed fraction you will have a 4
3,
12.
1/4.
Correct. So you're getting same answer. This is your one method. Other method is like if you have 3.25, okay, keep the whole number as it is and change 0.25 into fraction. So 0.25 into fraction is 0.25 into 100 upon 25. Upon 100.
No, upon 100, not into 100. No.
No, only upon 100. Okay. Because numerator and denominator, you are both converting, changing, multiplying into 100. And here you have 3 as a whole number as it is. Now, if you convert it, this is 325 by 100. 25 4s is 100. Okay. If I write 25 by 100, so
25 4s are 100.
correct. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 4s are 100. Whole number is as it is. So your answer is 3.
3 1 whole.
Same
Three
answer
upon
you are getting. If you are finding that method easy, you can do with that method also. You can use this method also. Okay,
Ma'am,
clear?
ma'am,
Yeah.
in this method, but when you have this, the fourth question, so that's 0.321.
Then you
So how
have
will
this
you solve?
method only. No whole number will be there. Na? Then you will have 321 upon 1000. Right? You will have 321 upon 1000. Same number of digits to the right upon same number of zeros in the denominator. Is it clear, Farhana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just do this question. 1.72. You can do any
Ma'am,
method.
1.72 upon 100. 172 upon 100.
Or 1 1 as a whole number, 72 by
172 upon 100.
So make 72 by 100 in lowest form. What you are getting? If you are doing 1 and then 7.
Ma'am, we'll divide.
No need
one-
to divide. You will get it in decimal again. So you have to just make it in the
Ma'am, cutting.
Ma'am, we can
Then
write it 172 upon 100 also, right, ma'am?
yes.
50.
And then you have to
100.
do it in the lowest form. Everyone, remember you have to do it in the lowest form. Okay. 2 3s are 6. And
We have to write the answer in the lowest form.
yes, lowest form or mixed fraction, whatever you are getting, but lowest form should be there.
Ma'am, 36.
Man, 3
Upon
8 by 25.
3 by
That also will
25.
cut.
25.
Yeah,
That-
3 by 25.
3 by 25. Everyone is getting 3 by
Yes,
25.
ma'am.
Okay, let me check it. I have answers also. 172 by 100. What is the answer? 18 by 25. 118 by 25 is the answer. That
Oh,
means
I got that.
that means lowest form may something wrong you have done. Let me do it. Okay, what is the question? If you are doing 172 by 100, okay? If you are doing 172 by 100, 2 say you will do the lowest form, right? So 2 8s are 16 and 2 6s are 12. This is 2 5s are 10 and 0. Again 2 say 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. And here you have 2 2s are 4 and this one. So you have 43 by 25, or not 3, huh? 43 by 25.
Ma'am,
So
it can be divided.
so you have to convert it into mixed fraction. 25 ones are 25. Then what is left?
43.
I think 18. If you subtract 43 minus 18, divide 43 divided by 25. It is 25 ones are 25. What is the remainder? 18. Correct? So 18 will come in the numerator and denominator may 25 and 1 as a whole number. Is it clear?
Yes,
Lowest
ma'am.
form you have to find out in lowest form. Answer
Now-
should be in lowest form.
8.66 divided by 100.
Ma'am, I got the answer of the third one. The answer is 8 whole 33 upon 15.
422.
8 whole 33 upon 15. Okay.
422
Ma'am,
upon
not
50.
1.50.
Anyone else has got? Third one.
Ma'am,
I'm
No,
doing
because it will become 8 whole 33 upon, sorry, 8 whole 66 upon 100. Then
correct.
you will divide it by 2, then you will get 8 whole 33 upon 50.
Yes. So what is your answer now?
Yes, ma'am. 8 whole 33 upon 50.
Yes. So this is your answer. See, this method is less time consuming. So the answer is 8 whole 33 by 50. Now tell me fifth question, 4.32. You will take 432 by 100.
Ma'am, we are not doing fourth one.
No, it is 321 by 1000. That's all. You don't have to do it in the lowest form also. So that is easy. Do this
1000.
one. 4.
What is the fifth one, ma'am?
We are doing
Ma'am,
fifth one.
32.
4
Um,
whole 32 by 100. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Then 2 5s are 10 and 0. Again,
Ma'am, 4 whole. No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 4 whole 8 upon 25.
yes,
Ma'am,
4 whole.
when
Yes,
the-
4 whole 8 upon 25.
ma'am, I want to ask you something.
Abdul.
When a number's last 2 digits are 100, 0, 0, 0, so it will come in 4's table, na, ma'am?
If the last 2 digit is 0, then it is divisible. Last 2 digit means 2 zeros are there. Then that number is divisible by 4. And if last 3 digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 8. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Or you can check like that also. If the last 2 digit of
so
eight
ma'am, you can
number,
do this from 4 also, na, ma'am. You can do this
Ah,
from 4.
you
4
can-
8s are 32 and
Correct.
4 8s are 32 and
and
4.
425 is 100. Directly also you
425.
can do it by 4, or you can do 1 by 1 also if you don't remember the this thing. If you're not sure that it will go by 4. Is it clear? So can you do 1.348, 7th question? Anyone has done 6th question?
Ma'am, 2 whole I upon 8, 6 questions answer.
Just a moment, let me check. Just check it from here. Is it correct? 6th question is 2 5 by 8. Yes, correct answer. What is 7th one? What is 7th one? 7th is 1.348. So what you will do? 1 whole. Any method you can use. 1 whole and 348 upon how much I will do, Munir?
100.
No, 1000.
No, 1000.
0.348.
Yeah.
Now again you do it by, again you can start with 4 also. Okay. I think I can start with 8. No, 8 se nahi hoga. Pehle 4 se I'll do. Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is 1 whole 2 upon 250.
This one, 187 by 250 you are getting now. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20 and 0. So it is 187 upon 250. It will go by 4, Muni. Check your calculation.
I did it by 2, ma'am.
Then again it will go by 2.
Yes,
It-
ma'am, I did it.
Then 87 should be there in the numerator.
Munib, tell it.
So 7th answer done. Now 8th answer, 9.0. So 9,
will be 972 upon 1000, right?
not, yes, 972 upon 1000. Correct, Amina. So 1000 ko make it in the lowest form. Make it by 4 se you divide, 4 se. 4 se it will go. Or you can start with 2 also. This is 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20 and 0. Again it will go by 2. 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So your answer is 9 by 125. This is your answer for 9.072. 8th answer is 9 by 125. Okay, just everything is in the lowest form. So you just change it into lowest form, whole number keep as it is and change it in. And this one to easy hai na? This one you can do 84 by 100 and change it into lowest form. Okay. Okay, so can we move to next topic now? This thing is clear?
Last one is left 10.
Ma'am, I want to ask a question.
Yes, Anas.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
for rights, we will have Mandela's exam.
No, you will not be having Mandela's exam. You will just be having your exam with your rest of the right classmate. Okay. Only fraction is there in your syllabus that I have
Ma'am.
given you on Google Classroom. Anas, have you checked your syllabus on Google Classroom?
Yes, ma'am, I have
The
checked.
revision sheet that you have done now, same type of questions you will get. Is it clear?
Ma'am. 9th answer is 21 upon 50. And last answer is 5 whole 3.
21 upon 25, ma'am. 21 upon 25.
Yes, 9th answer is 21 upon 25 and 10th answer is 5, 341 upon 500. Okay. So now rounding off, you remember rounding off? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
in your syllabus. Rounding off is correct
23,000.
1 decimal place. So 1 decimal place is still here. Okay. So you have to check which number, the next number, and 7 is greater than 5. So what it becomes? 23.37. How much it will be to 1 decimal place?
Ma'am, can you
23,000.
explain again, ma'am? I didn't get, ma'am.
Nahi, I have not explained. I am just explaining now. Okay. Now
And
what do we do here? Like suppose question is to 1 decimal place. So my answer should be here till here. So I will just underline or circle this digit and check next digit. Means underline this digit and next digit you have to check. Now next digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5. Then this is increased by 1. Otherwise this remain as it is. So in this question, I have to put it till here. So I'll underline here and I'll check 7. 7 is greater than 5, Muni. 7 is greater than 5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
3 becomes 4. So answer becomes
There will be 23.
23.47.
no, 7 is replaced by 0. You have only one decimal.
Yes, ma'am. You added one. No, yes, yes.
Okay. Now tell me 1.2003 to 3 decimal. Where is 3 decimal? 1, 2.
Ma'am, it will come beside 2.
So I will check this. Now here you see that
It is less than 5.
so it is as it is. Your answer will be 1.200. That's all.
Ma'am, what if it is equal to 5? Then also you will add 1.
Yes, when it is equal to 5, then also you will add 1. I mean, in this case, see, it is equal to 5.
Ma'am, the answer is 7.76.
Yes, answer is 7.
7.76.
Okay, Amina, you give me this answer.
9 point. Ma'am, can I
Wait,
say?
let Amina give. This is 1 decimal, so I'm going to check the next digit. Okay.
9.9.
No, 9 is greater, na? So you will increase 1 in 9. What will happen here?
Ma'am,
It will become 0.
1,000.
No,
Ma'am, it will become 1 0 or 0.
1,000, ma'am.
no, it will become 10. See, 10.0.
Ma'am, I didn't
One decimal
understand.
place.
Ma'am, it is 10 only, no?
Ma'am, can I say the
But
next one?
one decimal place they have asked now, so you have to put a 0 in 1 decimal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one, who will tell me?
Ma'am, 101.235.
Yes, correct answer, Abdullah. 101.23 and 4 will be increased by 1 because it is 5 next number. Okay, 2
Ma'am,
decimal
next one
place.
is as it is.
121.51.
121.51. Okay, let Mandelas do. It is their revision now. Let them try. Okay. Okay, Farhana, you give me this answer. 4 decimal place means 1, 2, 3, 4. Till here I want. So I have to check this. What will be the
Ma'am,
answer?
it will be as it is only, no?
Yes, ma'am. It will be 1.0020.
Yes, 3 will not be there. 2 decimal place.
Ma'am,
means
I didn't
till
get a what happened in
1 will be not there.
F1.
Yes, 1 will not be there.
Ma'am, can you
300.
explain the F1 again, ma'am?
F1.
Yes, ma'am. Where did the 3 go?
3 is replaced by 0. Means 0 we don't write.
Ma'am,
here.
but 3 is less than 5, no?
So that is why 1 is as it is. You are not changing anything to 1. If here you have 5, you will replace it 1 by 2. It
Okay,
becomes
ma'am, if
5.
it is less, then the last number, the number
As it
will
is.
be replaced.
No, it will be as it is. If this next number is less than 5, if the previous number remain as it is.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am, the answer for this is I is 0.34.
Ma'am, 0.345.
345, ma'am. 345.
Yes. And here, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, the answer will be 10.0.
7 is not there, it's 10.94.
10.9.
9.
10.9.
4 is less than 5. So 9 remain as it is.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the J1.
Which one? J1.
Yeah.
J1 may 1 decimal you want. So 1 decimal is 9. Okay. And next digit 4 is less than
Yes.
5. So your previous 9 remain as it is. You will not change anything
4
here.
and 7 will be
10.9.
replaced by
So, ma'am,
0.
we'll check 7, right? If we have to
9
correct to.
remain as it is. And these are zeros. 4 and 7 becomes 0. So we don't write zeros. I want only 1 decimal place. So I'll write only 10.9. Is it
Okay.
clear, Zafia?
Yes.
Okay. You just have to remember that the next digit, if it is greater. Now multiplying, do you remember or should I explain again?
Ma'am, I remember, ma'am.
You remember you have to
Yes, ma'am.
count the number
You
of
only have to multiply, ma'am. Simple.
and then you have to count the number of decimal digits
And then
from
we
the
put
right side. Okay.
Yes.
So now don't do all the questions. I'm giving you this question. Question number F. F question here.
Ma'am, will you show us how to multiply?
Okay, I'm showing here. 0.013 into 0.04. So here basically I have to multiply 13 into 4. Okay, so I'm multiplying 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 1s are 4, plus 1 5. Okay, simple multiplication you can do. Rest are 0, so I'm not multiplying.
0.052.
0.3.
Now count how many decimal digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here I'll count the number of decimal digits.
0.0052.
3, sorry, 0 and one more. 5 should be there. After decimal, how many digits?
0.00052.
Yes, 0.000, 3 zeros and 5 2. Is it clear, Abdullah Patel? Count
Yes,
the
ma'am.
number of decimal digits, and from right you have to move this side, and same number of digits should be there, and put a decimal, because I have only
Now
two
which
here.
question we have to do?
Zeros. Okay, now you do this one. H. 3 multiplication are there. So you will multiply one to other, then the result with next number. Means you have to multiply 100.1 into 1.1. What answer you are getting? 1001. यहाँ पे 0 हो गया. Again 1001.
Ma'am, 11011. Ma'am, then we will multiply. it.
One.
Decimal
The first two numbers I got 1101.1.
0.11 and then
Answer
multiply
is
with,
110.11.
correct. Now multiply with 4.
440.44.
440.44.
So it is clear now. So just we'll start with division now, because I know now you can do multiplication. Anyone has problem in multiplication?
No,
Please.
ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We can go to division one now.
So we'll do division because that is more tough. Now division may you have two types of division. Either your divisor can be whole number or it can be decimal. So I'm doing when both are decimal. So do you remember how do we solve it when the divisor is also decimal?
Ma'am, you
and the
first convert it.
What is my main aim? My divisor, I have to write this. What is my first step that I have taught you? First, I have to write this number into fraction. So 56.7 divided by, I can write it in fraction like this. Okay, 2.34. Okay, but my divisor cannot be in decimal. So to remove the decimal, I have to shift where? Two places right. So I have to multiply it 100. So I have to multiply the numerator also with 100. So what is my answer now? My answer is 5, 6. What is the numerator, Muni?
Ma'am, numerator
5, 6, 7 divided by 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 0. Because two decimal I have to shift right. Okay, only one is here. So 1 0 will come. And niche mein you have 234. Now what you will do? Either because यहाँ पे lowest form हो रहा है, so do it in the lowest form and then divide. So let us see. I do it in the lowest form. 2 से I will take. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, and 2 5s are 10. And here 2 से किया तो 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and 2 7s are 14. 3 से जाएगा. This will go by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
This will also go by 3. Add all the
Yes,
digits.
ma'am, it will go, ma'am. 18 it is, so it will go.
And both of them will go by 9 because 9 also comes in 9 stable and 18 also. So I'll take 9 only. Okay, I'm dividing by 9. So 9 se lowest form kiya. So what is it? 9 3s are 27. Then 9 1s are 9. 13 minus 9 is how much? 4, 45. 9 5s are 45. And here it becomes 9 1s are 9, 10, 11, and 9 3s are 27.
So what is it?
Ma'am, you will have to divide 20.
So basically you have to divide now 315 by 30.
And that won't go, ma'am.
That won't go. Now you have to put the answer in decimal. Now basically you are dividing 315 divided by 13. Okay, now see, your division has become smaller. Instead of dividing this bada big number, you are getting a smaller numbers now. So that is why I tell you to do lowest form before
13 and
solving.
31 we can cut.
No, you cannot cut 13 and 31. 13 ones are 13. You will, no, 13 twos are
26.
26. 13 twos are 26. 31 minus 26, how much? 5.
Yeah.
13, how many times will go now?
Ma'am, I guess 55 doesn't go in 13.
Doesn't go. You have to bring the answer in decimal. We are doing decimal division.
Smaller number is 36.
13 fours is how much? Tell me.
Ma'am, bigger than 55.
No.
57.
Why? What is 13 fours are?
Okay, no.
Ma'am,
39.
52.
39.
It is 52. 33 is 39. So what is my remainder over here? 5 minus 2 is 3. Now I don't have anything. So I'll put a decimal. See, pay attention, those who have forgotten decimal division. I'll put a decimal over here and I'll put a 0 over here. Now it is 13, again 13 twos are. If it is not mentioned, here it is mentioned 3 digits. So I have to do 3 decimal. So 13 twos are is 26. 30 minus 26 is 4. Again, I'll put 1 0 on my own. 13 threes are is 39.
Ma'am, 1
13
is.
5 is 65.
And then again 1 0.
And ma'am, you will have to put 0 up also, ma'am. because
Yes, up also 0 because 10 doesn't go by 13.
Ma'am, it
so
is
0.
100 then. 100.
91.
Yes. How many times is 91? 7.
7.
They have asked 3 decimal digits, so you will round off and you will make it 24.23.
30.
0 ki jagah 1 you will put because next digit is 7, which is greater than 5. So 0 becomes 1. Okay. They have asked 3 decimal digits.
1 and 7.
Ma'am, it is so big, ma'am.
Yeah. So now do this one. Second question. 1432. What will you divide now in numerator and
Ma'am,
denominator?
you can directly also divide.
You can directly divide. See, but it was very big number, na? 5670 divided by 234. So that is why we did it in the lowest form. And
We'll
now,
divide this also into lowest.
yes, try. If it is not possible to do in lowest form, then you will have to proceed like that only with the big number. See, 4 5 6 3 se ja raha hai. 3 2 5 6 7 8 9
10, 13.
So it will not go by 3. So you have to go with the long method only. No lowest form. Okay. 7 se ja raha hai.
Ma'am, but 13 doesn't come in 7th table.
It will not go by 7 also. So you do as it is. What you will do, what will you multiply in numerator and denominator? Tell me.
1 4 3 2 3 divided by 0.42.
So into what I will do here?
100.
Yes. So what happens in the numerator now? You have 1 4 3 2 3 and one more 0 divided by, no, it is the lowest form. You will get lowest form. See, 0 is there and 2 is there. So you can divide by 2 now. Okay.
14 sevens are.
No, 14 se nahi, 2 se karo na. Do it by 2.
No, ma'am. I'm doing 7 2s are 14 like that.
2 7s are 14.
Yeah.
2 sevens are you.
Yeah, 2 sevens are.
2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, and 2 5s are 10. Okay.
So
And
7 1 6
2s are
1
4.
5.
Does it go by 3 now? Check.
Nope.
No, it will not go by 3. So divide now 7 1 6 1 5 by 21. 7 1 6 1 5 divided by 21. Can you do this? Is it clear, everyone? how to do division of decimal. You have to check the denominator. There shouldn't be any decimal in the denominator. So to convert it into whole number, we have to
40.
multiply the denominator and numerator with tens or multiples of tens. So number of digit you have to see after decimal and same number of zeros should be there. You have to multiply the numerator and denominator. Then
But
you
21 twos are 42, right?
check the lowest form. Yes. And then
21 threes are 63.
okay. So I'm doing Munit. Tell me. 21 threes are 63. Then 71 minus 63. How much?
21 threes are 63.
11 minus 3. 8. 86. Now how many times it will go?
86, yes.
4s are?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Forza will be 74.
84. No, 4 2s are 8. 84. You get 21 now. So it is 1s are only. Now you get 5.
Ma'am, the answer is 341.
You have a 5 also.
It's a higher.
3410.1 something you will get. Okay.
Ma'am, then we'll have to put point 0.
No, I think it is 2. 2s are. It will go 2s are. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 42. 8, it comes here. After 8, how many times it will go? It will go by 3. So 3410.23 will be your answer. Okay.
Ma'am, 341.23 or 023. 023 will come now, ma'am.
3410.23.
Ma'am,
Achha,
we will divide 1, 2 in C part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 divided
Not 0. Just check what you are going to do.
into 100.
minus 12.
Ma'am,
So you have a negative answer, but here you will have 12.34 divided by 3.5. How many decimals are there in
Ma'am,
denominator?
into 10 you will do.
Yes, into 10 only. So your
350, na?
Ma'am, is
Yes.
it compulsory to round off the decimal and the final answer?
no, not compulsory. You just find out till 3 decimal. Here I have rounded off because you got a 0. So that is why I rounded off to 3 decimal. Okay.
But ma'am, if you don't do it, so you will deduct marks or it is okay?
It is okay. I'll not give you 3 decimal. I'll give you 2 decimal only. Till 2 decimal. Okay. So sometimes questions are asked for 3 decimal when it is a longer question. Because your paper is small, so I'll give you only 2 decimal. Till 2 decimal you have to find. And even if I don't mention in the question, divide, just written divide the decimals, it is understood that you have to divide till 2 decimal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And I would be there during the exam. You can ask me that time also. You have to do till 2 decimal. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We will be online and do like this.
Yeah. So 12 point in the numerator you have 123.4 and denominator you have 35. Okay. And then you have to divide. So 123.4
Ma'am,
divided by 35. Yes.
no, ma'am, you're 3, ma'am.
It is, I don't know, it is not working today. So, okay. So moving to the next topic now. See, this is your last topic. Actually, one more topic is there. Simplification and word problems. So simplification we have done already this type of
You're
problem.
going to give word problems.
Yes, one or two word problem will be there. Word problem is simple now. Any operation you have to do, plus, minus, division or multiplication. Okay. And in simplification, you have to remember that you have to start with brackets, then off, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction.
Ma'am, BODMAS and PEDMAS are both PEMDAS and both are same.
PEDMAS means parenthesis. Somewhere
You have written PEMDAS.
parenthesis. So that is why PEDMAS. E is for exponent. Always remember exponent hai agar question mein, so you have to.
It is PEMDAS or PEDMAS.
It is PEDMAS, wrongly written. Huh?
Yes.
It is PEDMAS, not this thing.
Ma'am, they both are same, no? Board mass and ped mass.
Yeah, both are same. I am cutting this. Okay. So BODMAS, you remember BODMAS? Brackets. Then
Bracket of मतलब multiplication,
हाँ.
division, multiplication, addition.
addition and subtraction. And if you get a bar, then before bracket, you have to solve the bar. Okay.
Ma'am, bar is like the big one, no? Like in
Bar is that a line on the top.
last question it is. Acha, bar, that straight line we put
Yes.
above the
You have to
number.
solve. Suppose I have given bar over here. So you will solve 6.5 minus 0.5 first, and then you will multiply with 2.01. Is it clear?
Ma'am, this see no, in last question it is that 27.08 minus.
हाँ.
Ma'am, that big bracket, ma'am, we call what we call that? Is that
Square bracket. This is called as square bracket. This is called as small bracket. One more bracket is there, which is called as middle bracket or parenthesis. Okay.
yes, ma'am? That it is like very curvy.
Yeah, curvy. It is like this. Okay. This is called as parenthesis. This is middle bracket. This one is a small bracket, and this one is a
Square bracket.
Square bracket. Okay. So that is all for your revision today. Simplification, you just have to remember the rules. And the last sheet is actually the word problems I had brought. So word problem, you just have to understand kya karna hai: addition, division, multiplication, subtraction with decimals. That's all. So you have to just understand that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt in the topic in the syllabus?
No,
Mandela?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so if we get a Friday class, let us see. If you want to discuss something more, we'll do that. Otherwise, we'll proceed with our next topic. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
what topic we are doing in maths?
Fractions.
So we'll do that. Okay. Okay, then see you and all the best for your exams. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.